Hey guys, behind me is the DSA. That's the smallest equipment trailer Diamond C offers, but don't let small fool you because it is ready to go to work. The DSA is meant to haul scissor lifts like the ones we have back here, a small skid steer, a dingo, things like that to get to the job site to get work done. Let's take a look at the DSA and see what it has to offer for you. The DSA was designed with one purpose in mind, and that's to transport a small compact piece of equipment to and from the job site effortlessly. This DSA was outfitted with optional surge brakes. And what that means is you do not have to have a brake control in the tow vehicle to pull this trailer and have active brakes. When you push the brakes in the tow vehicle, it adds pressure to the coupler, sending hydraulic pressure to your axle, slowing you down. Next, we're going to look at the tilt feature of the DSA. It shares the same tilt functionality as its big brother, the HDT, that we ran for many years. It's super easy to use. It provides a cushion. That's what actually the D in DSA stands for, is dampen tilt, so that when you pull your equipment up, it doesn't just slam down, it comes down nice and easy. Now I'll demonstrate how to operate it. It has a safety override mechanical pin here that we unlatch. It's got a hydraulic lock that we open to let the hydraulic fluid flow, and then you just simply step on the back and it tilts. Now, even with just the weight of me, it slowly comes back down when you walk to the front. You can imagine if you have a heavier piece of equipment, you pull up here, it's going to come down a little bit quicker. The DSA is standard with one 7,000-pound Super Lube Lippert brand axle with drum brakes. It also has a 10-ply 235/16 wheel and tire combination that's upgradable to a 14-ply depending on where you need to work if you need a little heavier tire. The 7,000-pound axle rates this trailer at 7,000 pounds GVWR. So once you take the weight of the trailer out of that, it gives you just over 5,000 pounds of useful payload capacity. When we talk about ease and functionality and scissor lift in the same conversation, low profile is a must. So you can see the floor of the DSA is a diamond plate floor recessed into the frame to keep it as low as possible. That way when it's tilted, you have a nice gradual approach onto the trailer, which you'll see here in a few minutes when we load it. The diamond plate floor is an 1/8 of an inch thick standard, but you can upgrade it to a 3/16 floor if you need just that little bit extra of toughness for durability down the road, depending on the equipment you're going to haul.